po ang Unified Command System. Mga PIOs po kami from PFP and the Angeles City Local Government. As of 8:27 p.m. of last night, the Unified Command System has decided to cease yung search and rescue operations. Pagdesisyonan po ito after nung briefing last night, kasama ang Pasig City LGU. Ginamit po yung kanilang life locator equipment. Ito po, to clarify, ito yung ginamit na last night na pang-detect ng sign of life. Yung pong pinaka-final testing nila na ginanap po last night around past 6 p.m. Naging consistent na po yung kanilang findings using the life locator indicating no signs of life. So with that final testing, nakapag-decision po ang Unified Command System to stop yung search and rescue. And right now, today po, we are transitioning now from search and rescue to retrieval and clearing operation.
Just to clarify, sir, just last night, 7 p.m., ang sabi natin, search and rescue pa rin. What happened? 1 hour lang nakalipas halos.
Yes po, no? So, nagkaroon ng briefing after that nung tayo ay nag-rescon at nag-report sa atin yung mga on-site mismo sa pamamagitan ng mga nandun mismo yung sa Pasig City LGU team at in-explain lahat sa atin kung ano yung naging findings sila. So we come up with that decision.
So yung afternoon po, late afternoon, they were still seeing signs of life.
Yes.
Tapos nag-check sila ulit, nawala. Ganun po ba?
Nagkakaroon po kasi ng false positive readings, no? Yung equipment. No? Iba-iba yung ginagawa nilang orientation, merong aerial, merong side. No? So pag minsan po nasasagap din yung mga life forms katulad ng mga animals, no? Yung iba yung orientation, pag minsan yung mga rescue responders naman ang maaaring nasasagip. Yun yung mga explanation during the false positives. No? Pero sa mga iba pang mga detalye on that ground zero, Ma'am Leia, would you like to add?
We would like to clarify yung binabagin namin by 7 p.m. may signs of life pa. Actually, that signs of life started pa po mga 3 p.m. and then that 3 p.m. po yung ating continuous verification, 3 p.m. onwards until 7, until 8 p.m. po, ganun po kahaba yung sequence na ginawa natin na verify talaga kung mayroon pang life, meron pa tayo madetect na buhay dun sa paligid. So from 3 p.m. to 8:27, yung series of paneling po na ginawa natin.